The next time you go down to your local tackle store and you start looking at spinner baits, don't only look at those great big blades, big tandem 3/8 to half-ounce lures. Take a gander at this little old Booyah Pond Magic. It's the perfect size when you want to size down your spinnerbaits. If you're not getting bites, get smaller. Make an accurate cast, and this little Booyah Pond Magic will catch all kinds of fish. It'll catch bluegill, it'll catch bass, it'll catch monster crappie for you too. So this needs to be in your tackle box. If you don't have a Booyah Pond Magic, you're missing out. This is one of my favorite lures when I start to downsize on a tough bite. Booyah, baby. Pond Magic. Come on up here. Oh, he's coming. Don't jump. Come up here, sweet pea. Let me get my hands on you. There he is. He's a nice one. This is the kind of fish that most anglers are really trying to catch all day long, because big ones will take care of themselves if you catch enough of this size right here. And this little bait right here, it's called a Pond Magic spinnerbait, made by Booyah. Let me set her in. Get back out there.